teachers. Today we're diving into an exciting journey to empower our students to become enterprising girls. We'll explore how successful girl founders have unlocked a growth mindset by combining their passion, values, and purpose to become ultimate problem solvers. Let's kick things off with a thought-provoking question for our students. What do they think the word entrepreneur means? Encourage them to share their thoughts and think about real-life examples of entrepreneurs they may have encountered. To provide some inspiration, you can showcase pictures of entrepreneurial women like Janine Alice, Naomi Simpson, Mia Friedman, Melanie Perkins, or Rosie and Lucy Thomas. Let's spark their curiosity about what makes these women entrepreneurs and the innovative solutions that they've brought to the world. Now let's delve deeper into the skills and personality traits that entrepreneurs possess. Have your students discuss and brainstorm a list of these traits, which we can refer back to throughout our course. Feel free to add to this list as we progress through each module. And get ready to share the exciting news with your students that today marks the beginning of their journey with the Academy for Enterprising Girls. Girl founders are breaking stereotypes and paving their own paths in the world of business. Let's celebrate their diversity and creativity. As we watch the top entrepreneurial traits video featuring insights from girl founders, encourage your students to compile a list of the skills needed to succeed as a girl founder. Then in small groups, they can rank these skills and discuss their importance. Prompt them to consider questions like, would having the same skill set lead to success for everyone? Can these entrepreneurial traits be learned or are they innate? Why is it crucial for team members to bring diverse skills to collaborative projects? The top entrepreneurial traits video will assist your students to come up with some ideas. Now it's time for some self-reflection. Have your students highlight the skills they believe they already possess and identify areas they'd like to strengthen or develop during our course. This exercise will help them understand their unique strengths and areas for growth. Remember, our journey with the Academy for Enterprising Girls is about more than just learning entrepreneurship. It's about embracing our individuality and the diverse skills, mindsets, and experiences that make each of us unique. By exploring the stories of successful girl founders, we'll discover the transformative power of passion, values, and purpose in driving innovation and problem solving. Highlight the skills you believe you already possess. With a different color, highlight the skills that you would like to strengthen or develop over the course. Get ready for an exciting adventure ahead as we empower our students to seize limitless opportunities in the world of entrepreneurship. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into unleashing the potential of enterprising girls. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Our next lesson is, Can I Be an Entrepreneur?, where I'll help you empower your students to believe that they too can build a business. Also, don't forget you can head to the Enterprising Girls website and download the full lesson plan in its entirety, completely free. The link is in the description below. Plus, we also offer the online classroom where you can track your students' process, see curriculum links, and even make reporting time easier. Check it out, enterprisinggirls.com.au. and then click on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.